Hi guys. Hi guys. So I welcome you all again to our channel hiringmentor.com. So today we go ahead with another resume review. So this is another resume. The first and foremost is this lady has used too many columns which are not at all required. See, the resume should start with a title, right, which is very important. Suppose this lady is a social worker, so the title should be very clear of that she is a social worker, and then she should talk about top three skills which are missing somehow, because there's too much information. I'm not saying that the resume is not good. This is a very good resume, but this can be better, right? That is what our aim is, that we want to have a better resume. She has started her here. If we see, she has written in a summary basically. Apart from summary, she can talk about bullet points, right? So this is another thing which is missing. I will just stop this share and share with you another resume, wherein I actually tell you how to put title, how to put key skills, right, that I'm talking about, how to write summary and all those things. Otherwise, if I talk about, this is a very good resume, and it talks about a lot of things, which are really important. Another important thing is she has put her contact number and email ID at the end, which shouldn't be the case. It should be on the top. Here also the LinkedIn URL is missing, so which is not at all correct thing to do. She has put a very small photograph, which is like not correct. I mean, she should put a little, better, better, picture of her. So let me just stop this and take you through another resume, which so this is another resume which talks about, which her name is quite clear. Then she talks about where is she from. Another important thing that you have to take care, if you are looking for a job in New Delhi, then put New Delhi, right? If you are looking for a job in Bihar, then put Bihar here, right? If you are in Bihar and looking for a new and looking for a job in New Delhi, don't put New Delhi here, right? I've told it several times. So if you're looking for a job in New Delhi, put your relatives address or something. In fact, you don't have to put the whole address, just a location would do. They're not looking for your location, where do you exactly stay. They're not gonna come to your place and give you a gift or give you an offer letter. Of course, offer letters come through emails only. So another is email ID. This is a very small thing, but then your email ID should be professional. I don't want to say this, but people use all kind of stupid email IDs. They use, very bad words. I don't want to even take those names, and they don't realize that HR goes through each and everything when they see your resume. Another important thing is your LinkedIn profile. Of course, I told you having a LinkedIn profile is very important, but you need to customize, right? Here she has customized, wherein she's writing Shelly. Then we talk about title. This is the title. So she is a customer service manager. You could be a JavaScript programmer. Whatever you are, write your title so that HR is absolutely clear that this resume is for this position. Then she's talking about three key skills. So client services, customer relationship management, and account management. These are key skills. Your skills could be SEO, HTML, social media marketing. Your skills could be sales, branding, and marketing, right? So, and then she's giving a small paragraph, wherein she's writing about how will she actually help the company. See, company will hire you for the value you'll add to them. They are not interested in you, they're interested in the value you add through your soft skills and through your hard skills, right? Both are equally important. So here she starts with the soft skills. She's trustworthy, active, and creative customer service professional with over 7 years of experience, right? So these are the things. Coming again to that CV, if we compare both CVs, of course this CV is much better. So here if you see, the email ID and the key skills and the title, everything is missing. She's starting with the education, which she should not. She should start with her first company that she has worked with. I hope this resume review was good and you will do something about it. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Do make changes in your resume. Thank you once again very much, and do subscribe to the channel and give us your resume for your resume review.